doing changes to the northwest corner, such as adding wind chimes or having pictures of the sky, helps to balance that element and can therefore impact that particular aspect of your body. So Vastu Shastra can benefit your health by balancing the 5 elements in your home, which are also the same 5 elements that you can find in your body. And so looking at the different corners in the house, so the northwest corner, which is the corner that represents the element air, is also represented in the body, in the nervous system, in the mind. So doing changes to the northwest corner, such as adding wind chimes or having pictures of the sky, helps to balance that element and can therefore impact that particular aspect of your body. Moving on to another part of the house, the northeast corner is the water element. So in the body, that's represented by the reproductive system, the urinary tract, and the lymphatic system. And it's all about removing obstacles to your health and allowing for normal growth of tissue. And so that corner is particularly important for bringing in prosperity and growth in your life. Then the southeast corner is represented by the element of fire. And in Ayurvedic medicine, fire is extremely important for health because it represents your digestion. And digestion has a huge impact on your fatigue level or your energy level. And so for Vastu, you would add things to increase the fire energy in that particular corner. So having something like a salt lamp or lighting candles, increasing the fire element. Then moving to the final corner of the house would be the southwest corner, and this is the earth element. So in the body, things like lower back pain or constipation are oftentimes linked to an imbalance in the earth element. So adding things that have pictures of earth or mountains would be helpful. Also, using some colors that are earth tones or actually putting plants in that corner. And the final area in Vastu is the center of the home, which actually represents the space element. And there's several things that you can do, but even just keeping that area open and free of clutter is significant from Vastu's standpoint. And the way that I look at the space element in the body is it's kind of the role of consciousness. So it's the things that help us to feel connected to others and the way that our emotions flow.